Welcome back to Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's Brady, and today we're going to be checking out a very nice 1965 Chevelle SS convertible. And this car is just extremely nice. Extensive restoration, so the underneath's just as nice as the top side. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, and check out the undercarriage pictures. Beautiful paint, body, bright work. Definitely a car you can take to a show and win a trophy with. So under the hood of this is a 327, like it would have had from the factory. It's been built, runs like a top. Also has air conditioning, which is a big plus. Power steering, got the right dual snorkel air breather. It's a show quality engine compartment.
This is my favorite car in our inventory by far.
Again, just all the way around, the quality and condition is very nice. Hood lines up great. All your grill, bumper, headlights, all that stuff's brand new. Looks very, very nice. And I like the interior. It doesn't show up as good in the pictures or in person. Sometimes, like in the camera, this looks a little more like yellowy. It's not. It's just a beautiful dark saddle tan. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I really like it, but the pictures and the video aren't going to do that interior color justice. Just know that. So in person, it's just a really classy kind of chocolate brown. Love the wheels on it too. Brake step really good, drums all the way around. Also has a 4-speed automatic transmission. This and the Camaro we just did both have 4-speed autos, and it just makes it really nice for cruising. Look how that door lines up. You're not going to get one to fit any better. Really good gaps, no issues down here along the bottom.
And it does have a cover for
the boot. Yes,
top, yeah.
It's got a convertible top boot that is the same color as the interior. I just put it in the trunk. Sometimes when you're driving them, they don't always like to stay on, and I just didn't even want to have to worry about it, so I just took it off. But it does come with the car. Door jamb paint's just as nice as the exterior. You can tell they took everything apart when they painted it. Door panels are awesome. So is the paint on the dash. I mean, just gloss black. All looks like that was even buffed, you know. Dash pad's awesome. This is a clock that they mounted up there. Kind of neat. This is removable, but it is nice to have in there for a cup holder and little center console, because if you ever drove a classic around, it's kind of nice to have a place to put your pop. Otherwise, you're holding it between your legs. It does have tilt wheel, factory tack. You can go ahead and shut the door, brother. All the emblems are new. And just look how straight it is up and down the sides. I mean, whoever gets this Chevelle is going to be very, very happy with it. Trunk lines up awesome. Again, all the chrome and bright work.
And if you want to see pictures of the top up, they're on our website.
Yep, they are.
CoyoteClassics.com.
Yep, and tops really nice. Let's show them. It's a manual top. I prefer manual top a lot of times just because they go up so easy. They go faster than a no. They go
Power
faster.
top seems like you're always having an issue with it.
That's true. So they do have the clips on each side of the top. They clip down. Yep, and then you can just do it one-handed. Try that, Brady. Just goes up like that. We're going into the wind, but just that easy. But top's in really good shape. It's a new top. I'll put her back down. So it's something you could do by yourself too. You don't need two people, but
Makes it easier.
It does. And it's clipped right in there. So top works awesome. Driver's side just as straight as the passenger side. Door lines up great.
Do we want to look at the trunk or?
Sure, might as well. Even the paint, I mean, you can shave anywhere in it. It's got a little light coat of dust from sitting out, waiting for us to do these two videos, but. There's your undercarriage. We do have, I had Justin order a new muffler for it because the one on one side has a small pinhole in it. So we ordered a new muffler for it. That'll be installed before it gets delivered. The trunk, there's the boot we were talking about.
It's the same as the light color in the interior.
Yep. I mean, just even the jack and spare are all detailed and nice.
It's
very nice trunk, spackled. Trunk goes nice here, jacking instructions. No dad today. Dad's out sick, so the two brothers are doing all the walk-around test drives today. And even, man, I like this one a lot.
I do too.
You were trying to get Dad to let you drive it last night.
I was, but figured keep her clean for the video.
Yeah. Door panel's awesome. Again, corner of the door, very nice. Everything is taken apart. Bottom of the door is great.
The only thing I'd probably do is just replace that center console with, because it does have some weight to it.
But yeah, that's true. That's the original.
Yeah.
But nothing's perfect.
Exactly.
All the brushed aluminum though on the gauge cluster is great.
I loved how they integrated the tan under the dash as well.
It's like I said, it's really classy. I mean, you're gonna like it a lot better in person than you do in the video. It's nice. I really liked it. And the seats are really comfortable too. You can tell they have new padding and stuff in them. Factory tack works. Got your no idiot lights, which is nice. You have an actual oil pressure gauge, fuel, temp, and those all appear to be working. Horn, it's got a horn button down here. Never been smoked in. Original radio works. I mean, works as good as the original radio is going to work. Just the AM there. Let's see, wipers work. And this clock even works too. And if a guy wants to take it off, it's probably 2 screws, take it off, but I kind of like it. It's kind of neat. Tells of the times, you know. Not that anyone needs a clock like that anymore with our cell phones and watches, but AC, that's all complete. Works as well. We always make sure every car that we sell goes back through our shop, and we always make sure to double check the air, put Freon in if it needs it, go through all the lights. Our mechanics take it on a 10-mile test drive before it goes out, and then make sure the car stays cool. We go through and do everything we possibly can just to make sure that they're 100% ready to go for our customers when they get them. And this one came from a really good customer of ours, Gary, from Parkersburg, Iowa, and he trades about every year, but this one he drove up to the dealership half an hour on multiple occasions, and just a really good driving car. I'll go through the gears on it because it's got that overdrive. Sometimes if you just start in the 4th gear, you're not going to have a whole lot of boot scoot and boogie, but we'll go through the gears. And
it's got good power. Sounds good too.
Oh, I missed a shift there. I went up too many. But 3rd gear, up into overdrive. Kick down works, it sounds really good. I'll go through the gears again when we turn around, but suspension over the bridge feels good, didn't bottom out. It's a really nice cruiser.
It is.
Good shifts. We're doing 65 miles an hour right here. Handle's awesome, 1 finger on the wheel. I take my hands off the wheel, but we're going around a curve, but it'd go straight if I did that too.
Yeah, I love this car, like I said, definitely.
Here's the brakes again at a higher speed. Look at that, perfect. No pull left or right. Power steering works well. Turns on a dime, doesn't it, Braden?
Oh yeah. Tiny bit of tire rub there.
Yeah, if you turn really sharp like that, have just a skosh of a tire rub, but sometimes that's, you know, if you want that good stance, sometimes you can have a little bit of that, but they go through the gears again and not miss one.
Oh, there you go. Sure for a second.
Yeah, it's got plenty of power. Then up into overdrive at 70 miles an hour. Don't lose your hat.
Try not to.
What a car. Like I said in the beginning of the video, whoever gets this Chevelle is going to be tickled pink with it. jump in it, take it on a road trip, take it to a show that's a long ways away, feel confident in the way this thing drives. Do all that while having cold air conditioning, and it's real nice. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. There'll be a link down in the comment section for those of you watching on YouTube. It'll take you right to the website. Give us a call. No matter where you're at, we can ship it to you, help with financing. If you're looking for a little red Chevelle, we can make this one yours. Anything else to say with it, Brady?
Nope, just thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
There you go.